We're building something here. A complete journey into algorithmic trading from the very basics all the way to a professional level. If you are looking for shortcuts, quick profits, or easy money, this is not for you. Because this series is about depth, about understanding, not guessing. We're going to build your foundation, then take you to the intermediate level and eventually turn you into a disciplined, system-driven trader. And no, this doesn't happen overnight. So if you're serious, if you're ready to learn this the right way, hit that subscribe button. Today is day 2. Let's continue the journey. Welcome to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by charts, confused by strategies, or stuck in inconsistent results, you're not alone. In this series, we simplify algorithmic trading step by step so you don't just learn it, you actually understand and apply it. Let's start with a simple question. What's the real difference between manual trading and algorithmic trading, and why does it matter so much? Manual trading is exactly what most people do. You analyze charts, you decide when to enter, when to exit, and you execute trades yourself. Sounds simple, but here's the problem. Every decision you make is influenced by your emotions: fear, greed, hesitation, and doubt. You hesitate on good trades, you chase bad ones, you exit early or hold too long, not because you don't know, but because emotions interfere. Now compare this to algorithmic trading, where a system executes trades based on predefined rules without emotion. In algo trading, you define conditions like when to enter, when to exit, and the system follows those rules exactly every single time. Humans react, machines execute. That's the biggest difference. One is emotional, the other is consistent. In manual trading, your performance depends on your mental state. In algo trading, performance depends on your logic. Let's take a simple example. You decide that when price crosses above a moving average, you buy, and when it goes below, you sell. In manual trading, you might miss the signal, hesitate, or second guess. In algo trading, the system executes instantly. Think about how many times you saw a perfect setup, but didn't take it, and then watched it work perfectly without you. That's where automation shines. It removes hesitation and captures opportunities consistently. Another advantage: you can test your strategy on past data to see how it would have performed before risking real money. This gives you confidence because your decisions are based on data, not assumptions. But here's something important: algo trading is not a shortcut. A bad strategy automated will still lose money. That's why understanding the logic behind trading is more important than just learning to code. In this journey, we will first build your understanding, then your strategies, and finally your systems. You don't need to rush. You need to build correctly, because in trading, consistency beats speed. So manual trading depends on you, your emotions, your discipline. Algo trading depends on your system, your logic, your structure. If this video added value in your life, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.